Hello, my name is Del Bible, and today I will be demonstrating the square block defense. This defense is basically composed of an outer forearm block and a high block. So the first thing you have to do is get into an L stance, and that will be the base for your chamber position. This hand that matches up with your front foot is going to be on top of the other hand. And bring them up to your face and separate them. The first one you should separate is the front one, and that will sweep forward into the outer forearm block, and your second fist will rise into the high block. It can be very, very tempting to split your hands too early, but once you do that, you lose a lot of the control of the block. So try a few more times, getting a bit faster each time. Now my assistant, Mr. Disselcombe, will be joining to demonstrate. Attack.
One more time.
Thank you, Mr. Disselcombe. Thank you for joining me today.